Have you ever wondered what makes India's land so unique? From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the golden sands of the Thar Desert, India's physical features are truly one of a kind. But what role do these features play in shaping the lives of millions? Let's answer this question in this video on physical features of India. India features diverse landforms like plains, hills, mountains, plateaus, deserts, and islands. The 6 major physiographic divisions of India are the northern plains, the Indian desert, the islands, the coastal plains, the peninsular plateaus, and the Himalayan mountains. Let's discuss each of them individually now. We will start with the Himalayan mountains. The mighty mountains of northern India have been rising for millions of years. These are the Young-Fold Mountains, and they stretch over 2,400 kilometers from Indus to Brahmaputra. The width of this incredible range varies. It's as wide as 400 kilometers in Kashmir, but shrinks to just 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh. There are 3 main parallel ranges that make up the Himalayas. Great or Inner Himalayas have highest peaks, made up of granite rocks, and are always covered in snow that persists throughout the year. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas are composed of compressed and altered rocks. Shivaliks, to the south, the outermost range is the Shivaliks, made up of particles of soil and sand that are carried by a river as it flows. Valleys between Himachal and Shivaliks are known as dunes. The Himalayas are divided into regions based on river valleys. We have the Punjab, Kashmir, Himachal, Kumaon, Nepal, and Assam Himalayas. And, at the far eastern end, the range is marked by the Brahmaputra River, which serves as the natural boundary. Beyond the Dathang Gorge, the Himalayas bend southward and transform into a new range, known as the Purvanchal or Eastern Hills and Mountains. Purvachal comprises the Patkai, Naga, Manipur, and Mizo hills. Purvachal hills are made of strong sandstones and covered with dense forests. Now, students, let's learn about the northern plains. The northern plain of India is formed by the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra river systems. This region has been shaped by the deposition of alluvium over millions of years, resulting in a fertile and densely populated area. In plains, the rivers in their lower parts form islands and smaller branches, which help increase farming opportunities and the variety of plants and animals in the area. Northern plains are divided into 3 plains, namely, Punjab Plains, Ganga Plains, and Brahmaputra Plains. Let's discuss them individually. The Punjab Plains are located in western part of the northern plain, and are primarily situated in Pakistan. It is created by the Indus River and its tributaries, which include the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, and Satluj rivers. It is characterized by the presence of land between 2 rivers. Ganga Plains stretch from the Ghaggar River to the Teesta River. Includes several states in North India, such as Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, parts of Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Brahmaputra Plains are situated to the east of the Ganga Plain. They are predominantly found in the state of Assam. Let us now learn about the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is a tableland made of old crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks, formed from the drifting of Gondwana land. It has broad valleys, rounded hills, and consists of 2 main divisions, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Let's quickly have a look at these 2 divisions now. The Central Highlands, located north of the Narmada River, encompass the Malwa Plateau and are bordered by the Vindhyan to the south and the Aravallis to the northwest. The Deccan Plateau is situated to the south of the Narmada River. The Satpura Range flanks its broad base to the north. Let us now learn about the Great Indian Desert. The Indian Desert, west of the Aravalli Hills, features sandy plains with sparse vegetation and receives less than 150 millimeters of annual rainfall, resulting in an arid climate. The Luni River is the only significant river, with seasonal streams often disappearing into sand. Let's learn about the coastal plains of India. The Peninsular Plateau is bordered by narrow coastal areas on the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The western coast consists of three parts: Konkan, Kannad coast, and Malabar coast. The eastern coast consists of Utkal coast, northern Sirkar and Coromandel coast. Significant rivers that create vast deltas here include Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Lake Chilika is a prominent feature on the eastern coast. Let us now learn about the islands of India. India consists of a vast mainland and two island groups. Lakshadweep Islands are small coral islands near Kerala's Malabar coast. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are larger islands which are scattered in the Bay of Bengal. Both these island groups have diverse flora, fauna, and strategic importance. Students, each of India's physiographic units offers unique features and natural resources. Mountains provide water and forest wealth. Northern plains serve as granaries and plateaus are mineral sources. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 9. Thank you.